Hey, young people, how do we get here?
I haven't done anything wrong.
Get on your knees, now!
I haven't done anything wrong.
Earning the hate. Welcome to another episode of Earning the Hate. Here we go, Florida. So a Charlotte County sheriff, I couldn't find the original body cam, so the one I have is the only thing I have, but basically, he shows up to a possible assault. This guy approaches the victim. They get in an argument, and the pussy-ass cop tases him twice. And then when it doesn't affect him, and he can't win, and he can't write him a ticket, he pulls out his gun, threatens to shoot him, lies, says the guy attacked him when the guy didn't attack him, and then he shoots and kills the guy.
As Timothy Poole and the suspect having a scuffle that led to 50-year-old Daniel Burch losing his life. This is what Charlotte County Sheriff Bill Promell said about the incident.
Ladies and gentlemen, I do want to apologize because I know normally I take questions, but today I can't stand before you and state in confidence that, like with the other cases, that we did everything we should have done.
Because they didn't do what they should have done. The cop's wrong. He ought to be charged with murder. He was a 22-year veteran, running around, people kissing his ass his entire career, saying back to blue, he could do no wrong. He knows he's got limited immunity. So when he shoots and kills the guy, he retires after 22 years and goes away. And the reason why cops retire when they're under investigation is they don't want to answer questions. Cops that retire after the investigation and says, screw you, is different. This guy didn't want to answer the internal investigation questions because he knows he was wrong. He knows he killed this guy and he should go to prison, but he won't. He killed a guy, and it's bullshit. Let's look at the video.
It's 5:11. I just got home. I still got to take a shower. I won't be over at the golf course for about an hour. And here she's going back.
Give me a sec. What's up?
You tell me.
I tell you what, if you guys want to cross your T's, go ahead and cross your T's and dot your I's.
Okay, so this guy comes over and he says cross T, dot your I's. He's repeating probably what's told to him by the other cops. The cops have been to this guy's house 25 times because his neighbor keeps calling on him. So he's fed up with the cops coming over saying, hey, I got to talk to you, I got to cross. And other cops have probably said, dude, man, when we get a call, we got to come, we got to take your information. We're just, crossing our T's and dotting our I's. We'll be out of your hair. We got to take a report because we got a call. So he's heard this 25 times. Doesn't say he was ever arrested on those 25 times the cops have been to his house. So he's pissed off, rightly so.
And let's do it.
Let's do what?
Do whatever you need to do, because I'm tired of you showing up at my fucking house.
I haven't been.
So do what you want to do. I'm tired of you showing up, meaning if you're going to arrest me, whatever. And of course this cop acts like, oh, it wasn't me. I don't know what you're talking about.
House.
I haven't been to your house.
This guy.
I haven't been to your house. Well, the cops have been there. You can run this history. I can run your address and find out every time a cop's been to your house. Been here on this date for a 911 call. This date for a barking dog call. This date because the neighbor called. That's easy. Even when you're responding, dispatch will usually give you a resident history if it's ongoing. We have ongoing issues with this. This cop's like, I've never been to your house. Shut up. Freaking lying little pussy.
This guy's a fucking alcoholic. He's down there at the golf course.
Okay.
So let's do it or not do it. What are we gonna do?
What are you threatening?
Do it or not do it.
Are you threatening?
Do it or
So the cop is asking, are you threatening? Because he's trying to set up the shooting. Cops know how to play the law. You get people to admit things. You get people to say things. Later on in court, you use that saying, hey, I was in fear of my life. The guy threatened me. So he's trying to get the guy to give a more direct threat. This guy didn't really give a threat. He's more pissed off at the dude saying, hey, you want to fight? Get your ass out here. Let's fight. This wasn't a threat. The cop shouldn't have been freaking pussified and had to go change his tampon. He's just being a freaking crybaby little back to blue, gets his way, my ego's hurt, so I'm going to shoot and kill somebody. And idiots will run around saying back to blue.
or not do it.
Did you get to clean up the lamp?
Come on. Come on.
So now the cop got his ego hurt. The guy wouldn't leave, didn't listen to him, so now I'll escalate to a taser. This is force on a guy that the cop really hasn't tried to de-escalate. The cop hasn't tried to order him, hey guy, you got to leave or I'm going to tase you. Look guy, if you don't leave, you're interfering. I'm going to tase you for obstruction and I'm going to take you into custody. The cop didn't do any of that. Cop's just like, when can I get a reason? Oh, are you threatening me? There's my reason. Now I get to tase you. Use my little bat toys. Show how big and bad I am because I'm too scared to go hands-on. Walk over, put my hand on you and say, dude, you're under arrest. Put your hands behind your back. No, I'm too scared to do that. Let me pull out my pussy-ass taser because I'm a pussy.
Go back to your apartment.
Do it. Do it. Come on.
Yeah. Come on, bitch. Oh, come on.
So now the cop's really pissed. My taser didn't work? Oh, hell no. Now I'm going to shoot and kill your ass. Watch this.
Oh, come on, motherfucker. Come on, motherfucker.
Why you?
Come on, motherfucker, is the cop. The news media, none of the news media is saying the cop was the aggressor. This guy has done nothing but got tased, backed away. He's never attacked a cop. He simply tried to defend himself when the cop kept forcing and approaching him. Notice the guy is all the way back at his house because the cop is the aggressor.
You fucking lasering me.
Because you were already trying to hit me.
I tasered you because you were trying to hit me. This guy never hit any fucking body. He tried to defend himself against a tyrannical freaking out of control back to blue pussy.
I didn't try to hit you.
Yeah, you're moving up on me.
So now I'm bleeding. So now I'm bleeding.
He's bleeding because one of the taser probes that on the taser goes in. When you pull it out, sometimes it bleeds a little bit.
And you're doing all
310
this.
Central. Go ahead and send me back up.
So now the guy calls for backup. He hasn't stated one time of any reasonable fear. He hasn't tried to arrest the dude. He hasn't got any resisting arrest. He said you need to go back to your apartment, and that's it. Then he's like, oh, he didn't listen. He insulted my ego. I'm going to tase him. Now I'm going to kill him.
Subject tried to attack me.
Gets it on the radio. Subject tried to attack me. This is called setting up your defense. This is why cops yell stop resisting when there's 4 cops beating the shit out of a guy in handcuffs, and they yell stop resisting. It sets up a defense.
Got him at gunpoint right now.
Oh, now he's got him at gunpoint. He wasn't scared a few seconds ago, but now he's scared. He's got him at gunpoint. Again, this guy is never the aggressor. The cop will move in on him.
You need to get down on your knees.
I haven't done anything.
Listen to that. You need to get down on your knees and respect my authority. I am the ultimate authority. I am a police officer. How dare you disrespect my ego? You didn't fall for my bat toy taser. You get on your knees or I'll kill your ass.
Get on your knees now.
I haven't done anything wrong.
Wow. Never did the cop say, do you have weapons? I see a bulge. Don't read. Nothing. Nothing. This cop wanted to kill him, and he did. 22-year veteran. He retired. And the reason why he retired is he didn't want to cooperate with the investigation. So when cops resign before an investigation is complete, it's because they don't want to cooperate because they know they're wrong. Some cops will quit after investigation because they're just say, fuck it. I'm not working for this fucking bullshit. But he quit during this investigation. And the investigation is still going on. And idiots will be running around saying back to blue. This is justified. He's got a tough job. Idiots will be saying, well, the guy should have listened to the police. Oh, he should have listened. So if a cop comes up and says, get on your knees and kiss my ass, and you don't listen, you should have listened. And if the cop kills you, there'll be idiots saying, oh, you should have listened to the police. Because police aren't accountable. The only resistance people have to police is to stop listening to them, to push back to their tyrannical, out of control, unaccountable, back to blue bullshit. Outrageous. This cop killed this dude. This guy is dead. Now, hang on. We got to get the famous words from the police. I'm here to help. Hang on.
Shots fired. Shots fired. You can't come at me like that.
You can't come at me. The guy never came at the cop. This is what happens when you empower cops with no accountability to make up the narrative, allow them to lie, allow them to believe their lies, and justify killing people. This is outrageous government behavior. I just can't believe how far people have come to blindly backing the blue.
Get back here so I can... Sit up so I can help you.
Get up so I shot you 3 times and tased you. Get up so I can help you or I'll shoot you again for disobeying my order to get up. God.
Sit up so I can help you.
Why'd you do that to me?
Sit up so I can help you.
Get up so I can help you. Dead. Back to blue till it happens to you. Well, isn't that there?